This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Here is the final clip of the Kenwood TS-430. We received this radio in trade. Traded a CB, Midland CB radio for it. It was in pretty bad shape. It came with three pieces. It's the 430, the MC60 desk mic, and the PS50 power supply, or the PS430, whatever's on the floor behind me. But anyway, this radio was, it's pretty scratched up, but it's clean now, and it's been serviced. It's working fine. Hasn't been used, God knows when it was last used. But anyway, came in, must have been stored in a garage. White residue powder was all over it. On the inside, white residue powder. Took off the covers, soaked them, ivory soap, light brush to covers, top and bottom. All the knobs came off. On the 430, none of the knobs have set screws, including the main VFO knob. You could just literally grab it and pull it right off, and then you could take off the rubber belt, wash that. All the knobs are dual concentric knobs. There was one inner knob missing here, so we just put on one from the drawer. But all the outer knobs are dual concentric. This one, this one, this one. There's 4 dual concentric knobs and 2 standard knobs for the function, AB, VFO, and the memory channels. The MC60 was completely also filthy dirty, some rust. Anyway, with the we installed the new battery lamp. We put in a 60mm wheat lamp in the meter. All of the push buttons were cleaned with soap and a toothbrush. The front bezel was also cleaned. The display on the front panel of the radio, the actual display lens, I mean, it was caked on, it was foggy, and it literally just wiped clean with a little bit of Windex on an old t-shirt. So after we gave the radio a bath, all the potentiometers, when the front panel, the bezel's off, it's easier to change the bulb. There is a blue plastic rubber holder for the bulb. You could just slide it right out. It slides right in. And let me shut the lights off so you could see actually there you go. You could see how it's the meter is lit. Okay, all of the potentiometers were treated. You can get in there, and I used CRC QD electronic cleaner from Walmart. Does a great job at cleaning the knobs. All the knobs move freely now. The carrier control and the mic. And we're going to right now, I did no adjustments to the master oscillator, and to be honest with you, I thought the radio was going to be way off, being that it was sitting for so many years, but I was pleasantly surprised that it's pretty damn close to center slot as it is. So I'm just going to leave it. And the radio is going to go up for sale. No optional filters. It is not Mars capped. It could be easily Mars capped if that's something that you need to get done. That's posted on the internet. But let's go ahead and check. I have the carrier at about a quarter way up. We're on AM. Let's just check the frequency alignment. And this is feeding into a 75-watt dummy load on the old Marconi 2955A test set. So I'm just going to key it up. And we're at 3.874991. And we're on 3.8750 on the radio. So that's pretty damn close. 20 watts a carrier. You could, little movement up. Let's see if I could go ahead and let's bring up the power level. Well, there you go. There's 100 watts out on AM. 94 watts. Okay. And that's basically it. This is N2LEN. No adjustment of the VFO. You know, I could probably just tighten it up a little bit as it's keyed up. You could see it's dropping a little bit, so it's 991. But that's basically it. So, I mean, this radio is really ready to go. Okay, this is N2LEN with the Kenwood TS-430. Let's put it on sideband. Hola, audio. Let's bring up the mic in. Audio, hola, hola, hola. 1, 2, audio. And I'm about 3 feet from the mic. Audio. Upper sideband. Hola, hola, hola. 1, 2, audio. That's it. Lock. Lock is on, lock is off. Step. On and off. You can see all the buttons. Here's the RIT. The light goes on for the RIT. Notch. There you go. Shift and width work fine. Beautiful. I mean, everything works. Squelch. Let's go back to AM. We'll hit the squelch. Nice and smooth. That's it. And the MC60. That also is going to be, that was completely refreshed. This is N2LEN saying best 7.3 on the Kenwood TS-430. Preventative maintenance and cleaning. Best 7.3. Be well, stay safe, guys.